So fast. Mm.
Okay, you can stop it. You can go to settings. This is settings and preferences, anim preferences. Click on this.
Yeah,
Now, if you see here down, here is an option called playback. Down, playback. Scroll down. Now, what's it's written? Playback speed is play every frame.
yeah.
So when you have play every frame, this will look fast. This is a visual look. So go to play every frame, click on that and select 24 FPS into 1. Yes. Now save it. Now play.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is a visual thing. So whenever you open up and if you have to see the original time of this, again in Maya, you might see slow or fast because of system. It might lag sometimes, it might go fast. So what you have to do is come on the time slider, right click play blast. No, you don't have to go again there. Just right click on the time slider and do play blast. Yes, directly you can do play blast. Yes. Okay, you have got AVI. That's why it did not open directly. If you go to your folder where you saved the file, documents, you will find your play blast.